Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys. Do not disturb guys. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, you want to own guys your Infinix phone guys phone. Do not disturb. How can you own it and how can you use? Now let's see. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys you can see this type of settings. So friends you will have to click on a phone sound and vibration. Guys click on phone sound and vibration and then scroll it. Friends you can see phone do not disturb guy, we will tap on phone do not disturb, and friends you can see do not disturb guy, we will on from here. After on guys you can see do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off. So friends you can see guys alarm ringtone, and friends you can see get this media volume automatic turn off. So like the guy we can on get do not disturb setting guys, and we can use, and friends you can see do not disturb icon on your screen. So like the guy we can on guys our phone do not disturb setting guys, and we can use it. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.